Where does the name for Bryn Maelgwyn come from? So today I'm just outside Llanrwst in Conwy County, and this hill behind me is called Bryn Maelgwyn, and it's most famous for being the place where they found a huge hoard of coins from the time of King Canute. So the name for Bryn Maelgwyn is made of two parts. Bryn, if you've been paying attention in class, means hill. You probably know that by now already. It comes from the Proto-Celtic word brwsw. And then we have Maelgwyn. Now, Maelgwyn is a person's name, and he's actually quite a famous person associated with the area here. He was a 6th century warlord who founded the Kingdom of Gwynedd, which was the main Welsh power in North Wales for most of the Middle Ages. So why were English coins from the time of King Canute found here on Bryn Maelgwyn? Well, it's because in the early Middle Ages, and through the Middle Ages in general, Welsh kings didn't tend to mint their own coins. If they were using coins to pay for things, they would usually use English coins that they'd taken or had bartered for through trade, or they would use the normal trade system. So the name literally means the hill of Maelgwyn Gwynedd. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explore every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.